Good morning, you guys. So today is going to be just a small little vlog. Just wanted to do like an update and probably a little get ready with me. We did move into our new house, so right now I'm just gonna start cleaning our bathroom and then our room, and then I'll show you the house tour just to show you guys what our new house looks like. Yeah, so I'm just gonna start cleaning and then I will start getting ready for the day, and then I'll see you guys soon. Bye. Also, sorry if I look a little tired. I am sick and I am pregnant, so those two combinations aren't the best, but a little chunky right now, but it's fine because it's whatever. But yeah, so let's start getting on with our day and start cleaning up and getting everything organized because I still have like a little bit of unpacking to do. So yeah, let's get started. So here's a little update. I just finished cleaning my bathroom, walk-in closet, and the room. So I will show, I'm almost done cleaning the room. I just have to wipe down a couple things and put some stuff up. Then I'll do a little room tour after. I take a shower and everything, make sure I look decent showing the room tour. But right now I'm just in the kitchen with my son. We are eating some cereal because it is the morning time. Still, excuse me, I'm still a little ratchet, but that's okay. So just wanted to give a little update. It is, I think, almost 12, I believe, and I started at 10 this morning. So I disinfected everything, wiped down, make sure everything was clean, and now I'm just in the kitchen eating some cereal with my son, and then I'm going to finish the room, and then take a shower, get ready, even though I'm not going anywhere today, but to get ready anyway, and then I will show you guys my room tour. So now I'm just going to relax for a little bit before I hop in the shower. I am doing laundry as well because gotta get the clothes clean on a fresh potty. I am using the Glam Glow mud mask just to mask my face while I relax. My face is kind of breaking out, and I love this mask because it does help my imperfections and pores. Here's my little boy. Say hi. Nah. Say hi. Nah. Yeah, he likes to be taking pictures, but doesn't want to say anything. What? You want to tell them what's on my face?
Yeah.
What's on my face? What is it?
What happened?
What?
Do.
I don't know. What happened?
No.
What happened?
No.
My nose?
No.
Want to give me a kiss? So yeah, after this all dries up, I'm going to be going into the shower, doing my makeup, and show you my lazy girl fit, and then finish up with my day. And then I don't know what else to vlog about, but oh, and then showing you the room, the bathroom, and our walk-in closet, and then a little glimpse of the house, and then that'll be it for this vlog. So stay tuned to see the rest of the house. Bye. Alright, so I just got out of the shower, and now I'm going to be doing a little hydrating mask since that one kind of did dry me out. So I'm going to be using the Neutrogena Hydro Boost sheet mask, and then I'm going to use the Maskology Under Eye Gold Gel for under my eyes just to help it soothe a little bit and just do my dark circles like I normally do. And then I'm going to be doing this on my hair, which is called the Matrix Oil Wonders Egyptian Hibiscus Color Caring Oil. I'm just going to put that all over my hair and then probably let it air dry and then straighten it. This is my little fit, my little bump. I have a doctor's appointment tomorrow, so hopefully all goes good. He is growing, so that's a good thing. So I'm just going to do the mask and then do my makeup, and then I will be right back. I'm seriously in love with this mask, honestly. If you guys haven't tried it, it's the Neutrogena Hydro Boost, even though I can't get this part to stay up anymore. So it looks like when I put it down, I have no top lip, even though I don't have it regardless, but I don't know why it's not staying, but whatever. But honestly, it puts so much moisture back into your skin after you do like your face wash, your mask, whatever you did. And then after, I usually just put my moisturizers and serums all over my face just for extra hydration before I do my makeup. And it honestly makes my makeup so much smoother and nicer. Whatever, but that's okay. But if you guys haven't tried it, you guys really should, honestly, because it's like honestly the best sheet mask I've used. I've used the, I think, Yes brand that has like the cucumber one and then the charcoal and then like the tomato one or something, and that one doesn't really give me as much moisture as this one does, but I really like this one a lot. So yeah, I would definitely recommend this for people who have really dry skin. I have oily to dry skin. It just depends on like the weather, and this doesn't make me oily at all, which I love. So yeah, hair is a little whatever. It's getting longer too, like past my boobs, like it was in high school until I got it chopped off the wrong way, but whatever. You live and you learn. So yeah, so just stay tuned to my quick little get ready video I will be inserting in here, and then we'll go on with the room, closet, and bathroom tour. So stay tuned. Alright, so I'm currently in my bathroom and I'm just going to start doing my makeup. I'm going to be using the Shea Moisture African Black Soap Bamboo Charcoal Hydrating Jelly Mask, or mask moisturizer, and just applying a little bit all over my face. I usually take what's in the cap and then just take that much and put it all over my face just to hydrate it. If you hear my son in the background, he's gone crazy. And then now I like to take the Olay Mist, the energizing one, and spray it all over my face. I don't do too much, so just do a little bit. And I'm taking the Physicians Formula Rose All Day Serum. Just applying like that much and then putting it all over my face. I love the way it smells. And then now we're just going to do our makeup, then we will get started on the house tour. Here's my makeup, my belly, and this is what my bathroom looks like. Have the towels stuff on the door. Got my little setup. I'm really liking this bathroom. There's my son trying to use his potty to go wipe his teeth. There's my little makeup section with my makeup in the drawers. And let's go to the other room. I really want to show the closet because it kind of is a little messy. And then this is our bedroom. Just try to finish cleaning. So that is the end of the vlog. It is a little bit short. I just got some stuff going on, so I didn't film that much, but I just showed you a glimpse of what my room looks like. There's still more stuff to be put into the room and organized. So once I get everything official set up, then I will do like a whole video of my closet and room tour. So I want to thank you guys for watching, and I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Don't forget to like and subscribe and hit the bell notification to know when I upload, and I'll see you in the next one. Bye.